Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's schedule will be out on the streets for the entire day. I'll be exploring food on the streets, eating like a local, going for food and sweets that local will love. I'll be meeting some local Turkish friends too, so I bet that they will definitely bring me to their favorite hideout spot for food and drinks. Shouldn't be a hassle for me. I will need to burn my brain cells. So let's proceed on with breakfast first. I'm having traditional Turkish breakfast. In Turkey, they call it kahvaltı, which is literally the meaning for Turkish breakfast. So inside, right, we will have various cheese, and right now I'm eating this sesame bread, very fragrant with the cheese. There's also olives, fresh tomatoes, cucumber, and we'll be mixing with honey, jam, some butter, and the chocolate sauce that you see here. So as you know that Turkish, they are very keen with sweet stuff. Everything they eat will like to mix with some sweets or related stuff to take over. Something that I like about the breakfast is it's a balanced diet. There's vegetables, there's carbs, there's protein. It's a really balanced diet all around, and they like to focus on natural food stuff. So after that, I'll be going for lunch alone, of course, before I meet up with my friends. And I'll be grabbing a quick lunch with some local burgers. I go for a beef-based patty with some fries, and a Coke Zero. It's a simple lunch, but eating on the crowded streets do give it a pretty unique vibe. And cheese sauce is a must to go with the fries. The beef patty is pretty juicy, and I see why this shop is popular with locals. Okay, now next I'm heading towards a local famous sweet shop. It's actually pretty near the lunch shop burger that I had just now. Look at all these huge variety of Turkish sweets available. It's lots of choice and it's really colorful. The shopkeeper had not only posed for the photo with foods and sweets, but he even offered me lots of sweets to try. That's what I really love about Turkish culture. Turkish are really warm with foreigners, always proud and eager to show their culture to the world, on social media especially. And man, Turkish really take their sweets culture, cakes really seriously. I'm here to meet up with my friend Nemo. So Nemo was saying right that we must try this sweet called kunefe. It's a traditional Arab dessert made with dough and layered cheese, pouring sugar syrup over. Some might prefer to pour honey over though. And lastly, we will just sprinkle pistachio powder on it to finish the preparation. And the amount of pistachio put on it is shocking. It's lots of pistachio, man. And we will be cutting it. So let's done with the ritual and start eating. My honest feedback from the card and the bite is kunefe is crispy and cheesy. It's sweet too. Really enjoy it. I'm gonna end it with a cup of traditional Turkish coffee, and moving on, let's go for our dinner. So I'm meeting another of my bro here. He's Messi, and Messi is telling me right that this shop is one of the best grill shop ever on the streets. He insists that I must come here to try it. So here we are. So for me, I had ordered some grilled lamb liver. That big round ball of white topping is actually cold butter that's melting under the grilled heat. So as the liver is stronger in taste, right? For some people, it's a love it or hate it dish. But for me, I love heavy taste. So every bite is satisfying with lots of fats and flavors bursting out on every bite. Mixing in chili is gonna enhance the taste, but I do hope that there's chili sauce that we age ahead. And now, the last stop of the day is just some casual coffee session with my group of Turkish friends. We had a late night chat before we head back. So hopefully all my viewers had enjoyed this episode of Turkish food. Don't forget to subscribe to Jay's Journey for more travel videos.